Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia and this is Cynthia Does Makeup. If you're new here, you're welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, man, thank you. I can't thank you enough. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free, guys, it's free. So without saying much, let's just get into the video.
I'm priming my eyelid using my eyeshadow primer, or you can use a concealer. Then I'll just tap it in.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now.
I'm using that orange color as my transition shade, and I'm just going to tap it on my eyelid. So on top of that orange shade, I'm going with that color and I'll just tap it in. So this is how it looks like on my eyeshadow brush. For cut crease, always have a flat brush, and I'm just using my brush and my concealer to mark where I want to cut my crease, and after that I'll just drag the concealer inside my cut crease. And guys, for cut crease, just take your time, define that crease, just be easy with it, don't be in a hurry. So after tapping in the concealer that I used on my cut crease, I'm just going to set the crease using the two eyeshadows that I used, the brown one on the outer corner and the orange one in the middle. And in the inner corner, I'm going to use a lighter color that blends with the two eyeshadows that I've used. In the inner corner, always make sure you use a lighter shade that blends with the two colors that you've used on your eyelid. I'm just tapping in the orange eyeshadow where I could have lost it. I did my wing liner and my foundation off camera, and I have my concealer on areas that I want to highlight, and I'll just tap it in. So for the highlighted areas, I'm going to use that shade from my Ezekiel palette, and then for my contour, I'm going to use that dark shade. So I'm contouring my cheekbones, my jaw lines, and around my forehead. So I'm going in with a little blush. So I'm just doing my lips, then I'll do my lashes off camera. And guys, if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. And from this point, I think I'll just let you all watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and everything, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Smile of yours, I'm never sad no more. When you're getting close, what are we waiting for? I tried to stop your bomb, but it detonated, and I can't know how